everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it so elegant. So today is the last video for 2019. I want to welcome you to my home again, and just to show you how I have decorated for the new year. So I'm taking down the wreaths for the Christmas wreaths, and I'm putting up some wreaths for the new year. These are the ones I just made, so I'd love to show you. Let's take a look. This is what the final product looks like. I purchased 4 sets of ribbons. They were $4 a piece, so that was $16. And then I purchased 4 wreaths, and they were on sale also for $4 a piece, so that was another $16. So that total was $32. And then I went to the dollar store and purchased the flowers for $20, different colors of course. So 32 and 20 is $52, and I was able to make 4 wreaths for the 4 front doors here. So I'll show you what those look like in just a few minutes on the doors. So here I am taking down the old wreaths. And then I'll put the new wreaths up. Here we are taking down the Christmas ones from the upstairs balcony and putting up go over to the other side. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video as well. And again, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you here as part of the family. And if you have, thank you so much. And again, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.